Good morning, everybody. Oh man, it looks like it's gonna be a nice day today. So, that drone footage that was at the beginning of the video is the drone footage I'm going to get right now, if that makes any sense. That is from the brand new DJI Mavic Air that I bought. And so today we're gonna take a little hike and get some great drone footage, and I'll tell you what I like about this brand new drone. I'm excited for that. And as you can see behind me, it's also laundry day. That's why I have no sheets on my bed. So let's get going, let's get ready, make some coffee, and go for a hike. Isn't this a perfect day? So this is where I slept last night, in this little parking lot here. And nobody bugged me. There's no camping signs around, so I think that I can stay here. And I was woken up by the birds this morning chirping. So we are right here, and I want to take this yellow trail all the way right around here and get some good drone footage of Matheson Lake. Well, it looks like we found where Jurassic Park was filmed. Right? Look at this. I mean, this is where the dinosaur comes out and attacks me, right? I was hiking a little ways up from here a while ago, and a lady came up and said, "Oh, watch out, you know, there's a black bear up there." And I said, "Oops." And I said, "Oh, don't worry, I've got bear spray." And she said, "Oh, you don't need bear spray. Just leave the bear alone." I thought that was one of the craziest things to say. What if leaving the bear alone doesn't work? I think that people don't see bears as wild animals because of our television. You know, you see the cute cuddly bear on Disney, cute cuddly bear in the movies. No, that's a wild animal. You know, what's if something happens, if leaving the bear alone doesn't work, what's the next step? What's the next step? I don't know where that lake is. There's a guy who told me that it was up here, but I might have made a different turn or the wrong turn. So we'll come back and find it. I know a beautiful spot over here where we can go fly the drone. But this is the Mavic Air, and yes, it's this small. If you've never seen one of these before, your mind is going to be blowing. All right, so here it is, all folded up. Take it out, and then you take the propellers out just like this. And there it is, guys. There it is. There's my cell phone, and there is the drone. It has a little gimbal case here. It shoots 4K. Flight time is right around 20 minutes. If you're flying it pretty hard, it's probably like 10-15 minutes. And I believe it goes about 60 kilometers an hour. So it goes quite fast. This is the little controller. So it hooks up to your phone. Your phone goes right here. You got your controls and your antennas. So obviously I love this drone because it fits in my backpack so well. The case literally fits right here, and the controller right here. I love it. I absolutely love this drone. My DJI Phantom SE was, it just kind of felt like a little bit sluggish, like kind of like a Cadillac, a little bit loose, right? Just cruising down the road. This is like a souped up Subaru. It has a sport mode. It has a sport mode right there. It's really quick, much faster than my, my old one. The battery's really easy to take out, just like that. My truck actually comes with an AC outlet right here. So I've got a power bar, and this is for my camera battery, and then I have a my drone battery charger right here. That's it, right there, and it starts charging. All right, so my final thoughts on the drone. It's amazing. It's amazing. $1,100 is what I paid for this drone. It's definitely worth it. My bigger one was right around $800 Canadian, and the bigger one's fine. The bigger one's great. It does everything that you need it to do. It's just not that mobile. So having a small drone, being able to fit it in my backpack, take it on hikes, take it on wherever I'm going, it is 100% worth it for me. And it's very quick, very speedy. It's 4K. It's a great drone, and you saw from the footage. I am off to do some laundry right now, and I just want to give a big shout out to all of my Patreon members who made this happen today, who literally made this video happen. So thank you so much for your guys' support, and thank you for everybody watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for all the subscribers and the views and the likes and the comments. Take care of yourself. Keep living that dream. Till next time. Bye-bye.